Scientists around the world are racing to develop a vaccine for COVID-19. So far, more than 100 potential vaccines are in development, but only a handful are testing on human participants. In Australia, researchers at the University of Queensland hope to begin human trials by July. But given the high-stakes race to develop a vaccine, Australia likely won't be the first in line if it's manufactured overseas. Even though we have a local manufacturer, CSL, it may not be able to produce all the different types of vaccines under development. CSL would be able to manufacture the University of Queensland's vaccine and the one being produced by Oxford University. But the other vaccines in development use RNA and DNA technology that would mean the company would have to reconfigure its site to produce them.
It's not about the competition, it's about, finding a solution for something that is threatening each of us.
We're getting glimpses of just how ugly the fight for a vaccine could get. Tensions between the US and China flared when 2 US agencies accused Chinese hackers of attempting to steal vaccine research.
中方敦促美方停止对中国的污蔑抹黑。
The US seems to be ahead of the race with a major breakthrough by Moderna, which began human trials of a coronavirus vaccine in March. The firm says the vaccine actually works because of its ability to stimulate the human immune system. But even if it is successful, critics are warning that the US doesn't have a strategy in place for rolling out a vaccine.
We don't have a single point of leadership right now for this response, and we don't have a master plan.
China has 4 vaccine developments in the running, which are undergoing human trials.
COVID-19 vaccine development and deployment in China, when available, will be made a global public good.
CanSino was the first of its contenders to move its candidate vaccine into a clinical trial, which is taking place in Wuhan. But it hasn't published detailed results of the Phase 1 trial, saying only that it was moving to Phase 2 based on the preliminary safety data. Marco Cavalieri, the European Union's Medicine Agency's head of vaccine strategy, offered some optimism for how quickly scientists could get a vaccine ready.
The ambition is to try to have such vaccines available in a year from now.